Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a broth for noodles. To begin, select high-quality ingredients such as chicken or beef bones, fresh vegetables like carrots and celery, and aromatics including onions and garlic. Roasting your bones and vegetables beforehand can significantly deepen the flavor and color of your broth. Always cover your chosen ingredients with cold water to ensure a gradual and thorough extraction of all those wonderful flavors, setting a strong foundation for your noodle dish. Once your ingredients are covered, bring the pot to a very gentle simmer. It's crucial to avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your broth cloudy and less flavorful. As the broth heats, foam and impurities will rise to the surface. Carefully skim these off to maintain clarity. Continue to simmer for at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing the flavors to fully develop. After simmering, it's time to strain your broth. Carefully pour it through a fine mesh sieve or even a cheesecloth-lined colander to remove all solids and achieve a clear liquid. Now, taste and season your broth with salt, pepper, and any other spices you prefer. Remember to cool the broth completely before transferring it to containers for storage in the refrigerator. For immediate use, your freshly made broth can be stored in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. If you've made a larger batch, consider freezing it in smaller portions for longer storage, which can last up to 3 months. This makes meal prep incredibly convenient. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade noodle broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.